Here I am using social learning to teach Goose to pick up an item and put it in the basket. This was complete chaos, just FYI. So I'm having Stormy demonstrate by putting the sock in the laundry basket, and she decides to start removing things from the laundry basket. With Stormy, I like to let her figure out things on her own, and she does really well and has a high frustration tolerance, but Goose does not have a high frustration tolerance. He does, however, do a little bit better training when he has the pressure of another dog. So what I'm doing right here is just working with Stormy and having her do the task. And as you can see, he decides to pick up a sock and run away, which is a step in the right direction. Then he comes back without the sock. So I tell him to go find it and bring it. And he's going to drop it right in the basket. We're going to have a huge party. Come with me and Vincent Van Goose to train at the craft store. Here we are playing his favorite focus game, the spin game. When I'm training in public places, I'm very mindful of the space that we take up and that we're not getting in anyone's way. I like to use empty aisles because that way we have our space, but we also have distractions that are going by on the ends of the aisle. So people with carts, kids, dogs, stuff like that. And I thought this aisle was a really challenging aisle because it was full of mirrors. And I wasn't really so sure how Goose was going to react to it, but he did pretty good. He practiced holding his downstay in the checkout line, which is really, really hard for him because he loves people, so I'm proud of him. Thanks for joining us. Good job, buddy. Good job, Papa. Okay, let's go. Good boy. Good job. Good job. With me. Good boy. Good job. Good shake. Good job. Good job.
Yeah, we're gonna scratch it so we can finish right.
Oh, sorry, buddy. Good job.
Okay, copy.
Are you done?
Where do you want it? Over there?
That means we're gonna stand here. My dog's gonna talk to us,
Yeah, you guys are helping me.
but she's
Huh.
got good control.
Don't worry, he won't come near you. Goosey. Yes.
Oh my gosh, what a good dog.
Come here. He just really likes kids.
Love those little shoes.
Come here. Okay, good job. You lay down? Lay down.
No.
Yes, good job.
Okay.
It's okay, he's not going to come near you.
Training.
Yeah.
She's teaching him how to be a good dog.
Good job, buddy.
We'll keep walking. We'll just
Good job.
let's get them to back.
Good boy. That was so good, Goosey. Oh. Good boy. Good job. Goosey. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay.